Now you guys have the most important job in the whole sport. You have to stand there, look busy, make faces, wave your arms, and you just generally, like, be an asshole. You're blocking the lane. Come on, very good. Excellent technique. I created a perfect football utopia. These young players really are the future. And to think they owe it all to me. I guess my job here is done. Oh, nice. That means you can finally go home. No. This is the way football was meant to be. This is who I was meant to be. Maybe I should stay? Can I stay? Huh?
Heads up!
Hey, we made it back.